Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Wednesday and marks another trading day of the week. So before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, we have FOMC, and we are expecting that Fed will remain interest rate, no rate cut, no rate increase or anything of that sort. So we are expecting constant rate at 6 p.m. Ghana time. So FOMC is the fundamentals for today. So let's go back to the chart. And first of all, yesterday was actually crazy day as the market gave us a nice risk to reward, 1:4 risk to reward. So if you were able to hold to final TP, of course, you have really enjoyed nicely, and congratulations that regard. All right, so let me clear these charts and go to daily time frame. But before then, something crazy is happening, of which is serious. All right, so look at it. Look at it in some few minutes when the market opened, and there has been that crazy sell-off. And have been informed that Indians and the Pakistanis war is the reason for this sell-off. Okay, so if you look at daily time frame, you can see clearly that daily we have gotten a break of structure already. Yesterday's candle closed above the previous candle, as you can see here, and there has been a massive drop. So the question here is, if you look at this, this also looks like a double bottom, right? Yeah, it also looks like a double bottom, which means anything at all can happen. So what can we do today? We just have to wait. Since we are still in the Asian session, we will keep waiting until we get to the London and New York session. That is where we are going to trade. Now, if you come to H4, you can see that H4 break this structure nicely. And now we have come to test the breakout. All right. H4 breakout. And now the market has come to test. So potentially a new all-time high is likely to be formed on gold. All right. Based on H4, what I see here. Yeah, but let's go to H1 and see what is happening in H1 as well. Now, if you look at H1, you can see that, of course, the market broke structure came now. It has come back retesting a strong retest, and it has been respected. So the question is, are we going to fly more, or what do you think? For H1, if H1 candle closes above here, if this candle actually closes above 92, okay, 33.92, then it tells us that the market is really going to pump all the way to the upside. All right, but if it doesn't happen that way and it closes below, potentially it can come to take this level. It can come to even 58 before it can fly again. That will happen maybe during the London and New York sessions, where we will get clear setups, and then we will go into the market. All right. So my advice for you, just sit back and relax. Once we get any good opportunity, we will go into the market and pick some trades. Let me take you to 30 minutes. Now, if you look at 30 minutes, this is what actually happened in 30 minutes. You can see that there was, the market respected this level with a strong bullish engulfing. But the bullish engulfing actually closed below this zone. All right, this zone right here, which indicates there can be another a sell-off for the market to give like a double bottom or something before they push to the upside. All right, so all you need to do is to exercise patience and wait. Once the road is clear, we can actually go into the market and trade. All right. But this session, like I said, since we don't trade this particular session, right after the outlook, I'll go and sleep. Then when I wake up, I will come and see what the Lord has done to gold market. Once we get a good entry, we will take it. Okay. And today too, I might wait for FOMC. I might wait for FOMC and trade during FOMC. All right. So guys, whatever be the case, just sit back, relax. Once I see any opportunity, I will share with you. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Before I go, let me give you this. So if you see that another 30-minute candle has closed above here, you can go into a buy, you can put buy stop or buy limit there. Then you target somewhere here. All right, something like this. Something like this. Wait for a breakout, a candle close above here. Then it will give you a nice push. Then you enjoy. All right. So guys, until then, I will see you and have a nice day.